Okay, we should have the game going. Okay, I'm back with Kagam Oni. Let me pause this. Never mind. Okay, so I'm still lost here. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go this way. Well, I can't go that way. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go this way. I don't get it. Locked. Is there any doors that are open? Locked. Locked. Ugh. I'm probably gonna wander around here for a while because I have no clue of what the heck I'm supposed to do. Isn't that great for me? I'm just gonna go at all the doors I see. Try to enter. I probably walked. I probably didn't pick up something important, did I? It won't open. Leave it down, genius. Nothing down here. What do I do? This door doesn't open. Weird elevator door. Read that. I'm gonna hit the Oni. Pipe. So read that. It's still locked. Preschool. Great. So what am I supposed to do now? I might need to look up what it is my issue. I might have a glitch. 5th graders. 6th graders. 7th graders. Oh. Really? I'm gonna save this. Because nothing can be good at this. Look. Leftovers. Some notes. And shut. Broken. I don't see much of use here. Damn it. It's my new arch enemy. Cases. Okay. Why am I finding something? Something in here? I don't like this. The book. seriously, there's nothing in here. There's a bunch of notes. I'm gonna save right here because I really don't trust this game. Bye. Locked. Locked. What the heck? How do you all fit in that one thing? Oh, I don't need your input. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, I think I want to stay here for a bit. Let's do it then. Alright, if it's a necklace, it was given to me by my grandma before she passed away. It's very special to me. Okay.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Ah! I hate the sound. Yep. Hi, purple guy. Mika? There's no time to talk. We have to get out of here. It's chasing me. Quickly, follow me. Oh, the other way. We're trapped. It appears it's the end of us. Yeah. No. I won't let it end like this. Okay. Let me open the next episode.